So we're going to see how you can add card to your YouTube channel. Card is a way of promoting your videos and your channel. So we are going to see how to do it. Info card is a flash that appears on your videos as a way of bringing it to the notice of your viewers. So we're going to proceed and click one of the videos here. Click on this pencil symbol here, scroll down. You can see over here end screen and cards. So you can select the type of card you want to add to your YouTube video. You have the options of video, playlist and channel. Here, we are going to add videos. Click on this. We are going to click on and select a video to add as a card. So we click this and you indicate the time from which you want the card to start displaying. We will put it at 10 seconds from the video it's added to. You can see it's already displayed up here. You can still add more cards. Click on card. So we scroll for another. You can search for a video here through a keyword. We are going to search through to see the video to add as a card. We can add this, then we add the time within which we want the card to display. This would be 40 seconds into the video. Click Save. So we have added 2 video cards. Card now. So, let us view the video to see how the card displays. Go to YouTube to see how it is. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're
Let's
new
wait
here,
to the 10th second.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos.
You can see this
In
is the
video,
card in white
we'll
at
be
the top of the
exploring
video.
top 5 web hosting companies with servers in India.
This is
So,
the
we are
card,
going
as
to
shown
use
in
11
white.
criteria
Let's
in our
click it.
assessment. Speed, uptime, backup options and
As you
others.
can see, the
So
2
in our
cards we
number
added
one
are on the
here is
description
GoDaddy.
column, when clicked on.
We have GoDaddy
So that's
India.
how you can
It's a
add cards
favorite
on
among many
YouTube
for a
channel.
reason.
Thank
It's
you.
one of the best hosting providers out here.
On
This
YouTube.
is the GoDaddy website.